Hello everyone, different types of APA citation. The first type is we will speak about journal citation, book citation, online or website citation, video citations, and also AI search engines or like ChatGPT citation. So the first is the journal citation. Here the first start with the author or authors, the year of publication of this scientific magazine, the article title here, the journal title, and here spaces, ident from 5 to 7 spaces, this, and then the volume, the page numbers from 34, example 42, and here if there is a website you put here for this article or scientific magazine. The second one is the book citation, physical book, paper. First author, we start with the father, then the first name, last name, then first name, the date of this book, and then the title of this book, and then the company which published this book. The third one is the online articles, all online websites. So it's like this one, okay? But this may be an article, this may be website. So the last name of the author, the first name of the author, and then the date of publish. If there is no date, you in this parentheses ND, no date, you have to write ND. Then the title of the article, then the website URL. Okay. Then if you are watch it for a video and take some idea from this video, so you have to write here the author, the company, like did the company or the owner of the channel, the date of the video, published when. Okay. Then the title of the work, the title of the video here, then the type of this it's video, it was audio or mp3, okay, the production company YouTube or another TikTok, any, and then the URL of the video. Last one is if you are taking ideas or use any AI engines like ChatGPT. So here the author of the company of ChatGPT, which is OpenAI. Then the year of this version which you use 3.5, 4, 4.5. Okay. Then the model name, which is ChatGPT. The version, when this version 3.5, when happened this time. Okay. Then the version of the ChatGPT. This ChatGPT are using the LL model, which is large language model. Okay, and then the link of that engine. If you have any question, ask me and I'll reply you as soon as possible.